Welcome to my channel.
How to set up Nighthawk router with Nighthawk app. Step-by-step guide 2025. 1. Power it up. Take your Nighthawk router out of the box, connect it to a power outlet, and wait for the power light to become solid.
2. Connect to modem. Use the Ethernet cable from the box to connect your router to your modem. 3. Grab your phone, go to the App Store or Google Play and download the Nighthawk app. 4. Open the app. Once installed, launch it right away. 5. Create or log in. If you don't have a NETGEAR account, create one. If you do, just log in. 6. Start setup. On the app's main screen, tap to add a new router. 7. Scan QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on the back or bottom of the router. 8. Let it connect. The app will automatically link your phone to the router. 9. Set Wi-Fi name. Choose a network name that's easy to remember. 10. Add password. Pick a strong password and confirm it.
11. Apply settings. Now tap continue and give the router a few moments to restart.
Thanks for watching.